ArcelorMittal Construction presents Renovation Inspiration. Perfect design doesn't always mean starting from scratch. Sometimes it's better to take something that's good and make it wonderful. If you're looking to give your built asset a new lease of life, ArcelorMittal Construction has the products, the experience, and the expertise to make your vision a reality. As one of the world's leading construction product manufacturers, we offer a huge range of renovation solutions, utilizing responsibly sourced and completely recyclable steel. Renovations are a great way to save resources and materials, but they also provide other opportunities. The opportunity to improve aesthetics, energy efficiency, safety, and the way we utilize space. New regulations are being introduced all the time to drive these objectives. All of our solutions are designed to help you build a better future. Inspiring smarter building for a better future.